how to turn off app notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, for that, open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you open settings, you'll see notification. Tap onto it. Now once you're inside notification, you can go ahead and choose any application that you would like to turn off the notification for. Simply tap on any of these apps. You'll see allow notification button. So when you untoggle this button, all of the notification from this app will get turned off. But if you don't want all notification to be turned off, or simply you want to turn off allow notification, then you can go ahead and uncheck this button. You can also go ahead and turn off the sound notification, past notification, and all sort of things. And like I said, you will always have the liberty to turn off all the notification from this app. And that is how you can easily turn off app notification in iPhone. And that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.